What's going on, diecast enthusiasts? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing very well. I'm doing very well. Thank you very much for asking. What do we got here, man? This is dedicated to trucks, and I'll tell you why this is dedicated to trucks. I got some news today. I am now hired as a tractor trailer trucking school instructor. What that means is I am an instructor for a trucking school, so I'll be instructing new drivers and helping them achieve their goals in trucking. And I'm very excited about this. I'm going to start off part-time for now, so it's going to be on the weekends, but that's okay with me. It's just to get my feet wet, get my foot in the door, and hopefully go full-time in the future. Am I going to have time for these videos? Of course I will. I can't ignore you guys. You guys are awesome. I've been talking about this for a really long time, and now I get to do it. It's a great opportunity, and I'm very privileged to do it, and I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to it. No doubt I am. So, that being said, let's dive right into it. So we're going to start off with a 1974 F-250 monster truck. This is a Ford, by the way. Now, this did come out in 2019. It's a green light, Miho exclusive Golf livery, and this thing is exquisite. Absolutely beautiful. If you guys recognize this truck, well, you should, because this would be the Bigfoot truck, just in a different paint job. Really, really well done. Very nicely detailed, and this thing looks awesome. Thing looks unbelievable. We have some, we got a fuel cell in there. We got the batteries. It's a very, very cool truck. Without a doubt, man. This thing is just really, really nicely detailed. It is beautiful. I definitely like it. I'm definitely going to keep it moving on. So we're going to do this one real quick. This is a 2013 Dodge Ram. I have a 2016 Ram 1500. Mine's a Ram Express. So this one does not seem like an Express. It seems more like a Workman. Actually, no. Workman? Maybe. No. It's, it could be a Workman. It's Yellowstone. On the back here it says 2024, so it's this year. And it's actually a decent looking vehicle. It really is. I definitely like collecting the Dodge Rams because I'm a Mopar man, and I do have a Dodge Ram. So I've never seen the show Yellowstone, and I heard it's really, really good. But anyways, very, very nicely detailed. Everything about it looks really phenomenal. Again, Greenlight does a great job with all of their cars, packing as much detail into a small package, and still they deliver, and they keep it under $10. That's awesome. You really cannot go wrong. So, beautiful truck. I definitely like it. I'm going to keep it moving on. Let's talk about these, because I'm actually very excited about these. So, very excited about this one. This is a Chevy Silverado off-road, and why it's off-road is, well, it looks like it's meant to go over mountains. Yeah, this thing will go through the mountain if it has to. Going over it? Nah, man, we're going right through it. Check this thing out. Get the brush guard. Got these huge halogen lights. Really nicely detailed. Absolutely beautiful color. This is the Zuckus from the Bounty Hunting series, and this was out in 2017. We've got a bunch of cool vehicles up here, like the GMC panel. That's another one. The Econoline pickup, the Deco delivery. The Ford Transit looks really nice, and of course, how could I ever forget? And we have the Chevy Chevelle delivery. That thing looks wicked, wicked sweet. Getting back to this truck, I do like this year Silverado. I don't like any of the newer ones. I like the older ones, but this one was probably the latest year of Silverado that I really did like. And I think it's a very nice truck. It looks really impressive. There's nothing in the bed there. We have these giant wheels, these nice tires on it. Got a metal base. This thing is going over the mountain, into the river, over the bridge, through the mountain to Grandma's house we go. Very cool truck. I definitely like it. I'm going to keep it. Moving on, we have the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. And this is one of my personal favorites because I like this. It's Forza Motorsport. And the X represents Xbox. That's what the green lights are for. And this thing looks really, really nice. Absolutely wicked nice. Very nicely detailed with this, I want to call it ghost paint job. But it's very impressive. And we still have the green lights up here on the front of the truck. Now, we don't have that little light bar that we see here or the rack. And that's okay by me, man. you know, but this thing looks superb. See, you got the Xbox logo right there on the roof. It's a little tough to see, but it's definitely there. You have Xbox One, which is the system I have. Very unique. This is something I like about it. Now, this was out in 2019. Very BA. Everything about this thing is absolutely killer. I love the paint job. I like the wheels. I like the Giant X. And just the fine details inside. Like, you know, we got the Xbox Live, or Xbox One there on the hood of the truck. Got the Xbox sourdough bread symbol up there, which is where the... that's actually where the circle and X came from. Was the guy was making sourdough bread, and he actually cut an X and said, there we go, that's Xbox. It's a little fun fact for you. Very cool truck indeed. I like it. I'm going to keep it moving on to a Maisto here. We have a Mack Anthem. And the one thing I like about this, I don't have many of these tractor trailers. I just don't. But I love the color combination. The black, the orange, the teal. These wheels with the nice lettering on the side. We got those nice fenders. Seems like the fifth wheel sits way lower than the fenders, so that might be kind of an issue. But anyways, it's a very cool truck. It looks great. It looks very sleek, and it's sexy in every way. The frame is plastic. The body is metal. That's even better. We have the Bulldog right there on the hood that will never come off. You can actually those things are really into the hood. So when you go to pull the hood up like that, you actually pull on the Bulldog, and don't worry about it. It's not going to snap off. I've driven Macks before. And one thing I really do like about the Mack Anthem is it's a very futuristic looking truck, and that's what I like about it. So I had to buy it. I bought this a couple of years ago, to be honest with you, 2022. So it's 2 years old. I'm pretty sure I have opened the box. Have I? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Anyways, it's here to stay. I like it. I'm going to keep it. Moving on. Now we're going to talk about Ram trucks. Okay. I've driven Ram trucks before, but not like these. Check this thing out. The Black Magic with the 66 Supernova. This thing is wicked, wicked sweet. Check this thing out, dude. I love the paint job. I love matte black. I am a black on black person. You know, I love that song AC/DC, Back in Black. Well, when I think Back in Black, I think about a car like this. This thing is very, very sweet. Very cool indeed. Got the black hole. The Ram truck is really cool too. Definitely like this kind of retro rig. It looks like it's a old Chevy. Or could be an old Dodge or an old Ford, but very cool truck indeed, man. These things are just super sweet. I found this. I saw it for a good price. I had to have it. Again, it's black on black. That's kind of my thing. Moving on. I'm not sure if I've actually done this before, but this is a 96 Honda Accord. This is the Fleet Street. And this thing was very popular, very sought after, and I just managed to grab it. So very happy to see it on the pegs. One thing I do like about this is that this is an actual race car. That I did not know until my friend John told me about that this car is an actual race car. So thank John for that little piece of information. We've got some nice green wheels right here. The truck is looking very, very sweet indeed. Very nice. And it's just a very cool casting, in my opinion. There's nothing really bad to say about it. It is Castrol. It's got the Accord symbol on it. Super cool car. Really is, and the colors are just awesome. Definitely like it. So that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. And as always, collect what you like. And if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, man. So do it right at the time of your life. Later, taters.